as far as marketing, someone asked me a question on Instagram about how to market. I look into keywords. You can either use Google keywords. Also check out Marmalade. I've used them recently. They have been very helpful. So make sure you check that out. They look at your account and they give you statistics on what you're using, what you shouldn't be using, which keywords aren't working for your shop, and give some really awesome tips. They do have a plan that doesn't cost, and then they have a membership which gives you more detail. I'll be sure to list Marmalade's link down in the description box so you guys can check them out. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and read off some of the questions that I got. It was only a few on my social media platforms. I posted it on the YouTube community tab, Instagram, which I'm always on, so let me know if you have any questions. Always reach out to me on Instagram at chanellenovosey or on my Etsy Instagram at Etsy shop chanellenovosey. So I'm gonna go ahead and read the questions and give you the information according to the questions that you guys asked me. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one came from Chantel Thomas. Hey girl, hey. You asked, hello, how are you? I've been watching you on YouTube. I'm going to take an event planning class next year because this is a field I really want to get into. You're so creative. Thank you, girl. I love your work. How do you do this? How do you know this was the field that you wanted to get into? Okay, so thank you for your question first of all, and thank you so much for watching my channel. Okay, so how I got into this field. A friend of mine and I had a birthday party together, and I was in charge of doing the decor, and I never knew that this was like something I wanted to do. I was just trying to figure out what I wanted to do, and so he handled like all the other stuff, and I dealt with just the decor. So I was in charge of like the color scheme and like the space and the floral design and tablecloths and all of that stuff. And people came to the party and they were like, oh, this is amazing. And I was like, I might have something here. Yeah. And they were just commenting on the little intricate details, because I'm big on details, right? And so they were like, you put so much detail into every little bit of the party. And I was like, I think this is what I want to do. So I took it from there and I started to do YouTube, right? And then after I started YouTube, I decided to go into Etsy. So that's how I got started. Okay, so my next question comes in from this_heart_love. She's amazing. I love her. She says, hey Chanel, hey girl, hey. She said, I have an Etsy shop too and sell unique jewelry. What are some good ways to market, promote your Etsy shop and to get more views and sales? Okay, so what I use, as I mentioned earlier in this video, is Marmalade, as well as keywords that you can find on Google AdWords, I think is what it's called. Another great technique is to use hashtags in your Instagram posts. You can either put them in your comment section, or you can, you know, make a couple rows down and use your hashtags underneath your description for your Etsy or your Instagram posts. Hope that makes sense. So what I do is I use Etsy's marketing tab, and they have Google shipping, and I use $1 to $50 for daily advertisements to run my Etsy listings on Google Shopping as well as Etsy. Okay, so that enables my shop listings to go on all of those search engines. Okay, so my next question came in from the YouTube tab. I posted the question asking if you guys had questions about Etsy, and Sophia Brown asks, I recently got her LLC and she's trying to get her event and party planning business off the ground and was thinking about selling some of the decor pieces on Etsy. What would be some of the key points for first-time product sellers and advice? Basically, everything I just mentioned in the beginning of this video,